What actually happens to the body after death? It's a question many people think about, but few feel comfortable asking. Today, we're going to walk through the physical process step by step in a respectful and easy-to-understand way. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, where we help you better understand funeral planning, memorial options, and everything that happens behind the scenes. Right after death occurs, the body begins to shut down completely. The heart stops beating, breathing ceases, and oxygen is no longer delivered to the organs. Within minutes, brain activity stops, and the body begins transitioning into what is known as early postmortem changes. The muscles relax, which can sometimes cause the body to release air from the lungs or relax the bladder. The skin may begin to pale as circulation stops. Within the first few hours, the body begins cooling down. This process is called algor mortis. The body gradually adjusts to the surrounding temperature. At the same time, blood begins to settle due to gravity in a process called livor mortis. This can cause a purplish discoloration in areas where blood pools. Then comes rigor mortis, where the muscles begin to stiffen. This usually starts within a few hours and can last up to 24 to 48 hours before the body relaxes again. After death, the body is typically transported to a funeral home, hospital morgue, or medical examiner's office. From there, the family's chosen arrangements determine what happens next. If burial is selected, the body may be embalmed. Embalming is a preservation process that temporarily slows decomposition and allows for viewing or open casket services. If cremation is chosen, the body is placed in a special container and prepared according to crematory procedures. During embalming, a licensed professional replaces bodily fluids with preservative chemicals. This helps maintain the body's appearance for a period of time. The funeral professional may also provide cosmetic restoration, grooming, and dressing to create a peaceful and natural presentation for loved ones. If the body is buried without embalming, it will naturally decompose over time. This is part of the body returning to the earth. The timeline depends on factors like environment, soil conditions, and whether the body is in a casket or vault. While the physical process is natural, the emotional impact of loss is deeply personal. Understanding what happens can sometimes bring comfort, clarity, and peace during a difficult time. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the Funeral Channel Network for more guidance on funeral planning and memorial ideas. And if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. But until then, take care and bye for now.